just kind of taking a look at a new construction build house, looking at showers and things. You kind of walk into them. One of the things that we really definitely want to look at is these new drains that they've got in. After we're looking at all the tiles around the outside, you kind of take a look at the drains and make sure they're functioning correctly. You kind of look inside this one and you see that white down in there. That is a test plug. As you can see, the contractor has not completely removed that plug from this drain, giving it the opportunity to potentially back up and cause serious issues in the future if it's not completely removed. Definitely one of the things you want to have a good inspector take a look at when you're inspecting. So, thank you for watching.